Hey cryptocurrency market channel, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial, Jedi Master, and in this video, I'm sharing with you how to set up a Lisk wallet. The first step is to find the correct domain name, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do that right now. What you're going to want to do is go to Google for this, and we're going to go straight to coinmarketcap.com, which gives us the list of cryptocurrencies in order based off their size of market cap. And what we're going to do is scroll down until we see the Lisk project. And I see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit and click this website link right here. So it does take us to their website, which is lisk.io, and you could go ahead and search that if you want to. All you got to do is search Lisk, which is spelled Lisk.io, and triple check that it is a HTTPS website right here, and verify that it is a secure website by making sure this green padlock is right here. So we're all clear there. And another way you could find the website is on their Twitter profile. I can also show you how to do that briefly. If you scroll down to this coinmarketcap.com for Lisk, if you scroll down a little bit to social, you could click that and it refreshes the page so that you could now scroll down and see their Twitter profile right here, which is Lisk HQ. That's their Twitter profile, Lisk HQ, and it tells you how many followers they have, which is 186,000 followers, which is a fair amount. And if you look at the description and the link that they promote, it's lisk.io. So I could go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it redirects us back to the same website, lisk.io. Okay, so we're good there. I'm gonna exit out of that along with the Twitter page. I'm also gonna exit out of the CoinMarketCap page. Okay, great. So the next step is to choose the correct wallet, and I'll show you how that looks like right now. On list.io, all you have to do is go to products here on the top. So click products, which is next to team, and click that. You're gonna have to scroll all the way down. Just keep scrolling all the way down until you start seeing their suite of tools. And what we're gonna do is skip the Lisk commander, and we're gonna go straight to the Lisk Hub right here. The reason I'm choosing the Lisk Hub wallet is because it is the official wallet for the Lisk project, and the Lisk Hub wallet is developed and maintained by the core Lisk development team. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to this website, and I'm gonna click this button right here, which is download for Mac. If you're using another device or computer, such as a Windows, you're gonna wanna go and click all releases on GitHub and find the version that is appropriate for you. However, for this video, I'm just going to be using a MacBook, but feel free to continue and follow along with me. So I'm going to go ahead and click download for Mac here. And on the bottom left side of my screen, it's saying that it's downloading right here, which is step number 3, download the wallet. So we're waiting for that to download, and it's saying that it's going to take about 2 minutes to do, or about 1 minute. You can pause the video here and continue the video once it's done downloading for you. Okay, great. It looks like it's done downloading now. So we're going to move on to step number 4, which is to install the wallet. And to do that, all you have to do is click this download button on the bottom left, and it starts opening here. This is asking me to drag this application, Lisk, into my applications folder. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. and it looks like it did so. So now it's time to open it. So I'm just gonna try double clicking here to open it. And it's saying, are you sure you want to open it? I am going to click open. And while that's loading, I'm going to exit out of here, and I could also exit out of my presentation. So there you go. This is what the Lisk wallet looks like. And in this video, I am not talking about how to create an account, send or receive Lisk, backup, protect, or even update the wallet. In this video, I am just showing you how to download and install the Lisk Hub wallet. However, there's one more step that I want to share with you, and it's to verify that you can open and close the wallet. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like right now. What I'm going to do is show you the top left of my screen here. And what I'm going to do is click Lisk Hub on the top right here and press quit, which is Command Q for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it disappears. To reopen the Lisk Hub wallet, all you have to do is go back to your Finder, go to your applications, and find Lisk Hub inside your applications. And what you're going to do is right click it and click open. And it's asking you, are you sure you want to open it? You're going to say yes, open. And here it is again. So congratulations, you successfully downloaded and installed the Lisk Hub wallet. Stay tuned for my future videos on how to create an account, send, receive, backup, protect, and even update the wallet. But for now, that concludes my video. If you like watching these types of tutorials, go get yourself a copy of the Cryptocurrency Investing Blueprint, and you could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could also get 10% off using my promo code DENNY2018. Go ahead and check the display address on the screen and screenshot it if needed, or check out the link in the bio. You could also follow us on Twitter. You could find my handle at Denny Lovejoy. That's spelled D-E-N-N-I. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, go ahead and leave me a message on Twitter. Thanks again for watching, and have a terrific day.